guys, hope you're all doing well. I'm Ashwan. Today, I've just landed in Lille a couple of days ago and I'm planning to go to get a SIM card here. I did not yet get one. Also, I'm going to the bank, BNP Paribas, and I'm also looking to get a transport pass. And here I am in the station, the tram station here at Park. This is just next to the school, the business school, and let's see what's there in the ticket station here. So there's something like this. You just have to tap on this, and nothing to worry. It's pretty much in French, but then you got the English option here. So it's basically purchase. Uh, this card, I am actually going to get the card today. I do not have it, and now I need to travel, so I've clicked on this, and then here you go, to 1 hour journey on Illegal network. I have a Trajajap up to 3 metro tramway stations, and then you have a lot of options. This is pass one jour, that's for 1 day. Alright, sometimes if you don't click on things so fast, just goes back, nothing to worry. It's the same thing again. So I've chosen 1 day, and to print the ticket it actually asks more 20 cents, so it's 5.50. So just confirm the quantity, and there you go, you pay it. While you pay, here is a machine, you put cash in here, and maybe and also you put your coins out in this, and then you get the stuff, get the ticket out here in this pocket. You just have it. I've already taken mine, I'll show you that. I've already taken my ticket some time ago, and this is how it looks like. Pass Ilivia, or Ilivia, maybe they say it Ilivia. I'm waiting here on the tramway for some time now. I guess I'll have the tram in next like 5 minutes, and that's the beautiful park around there.
And I got into the tramway pretty quick. There is a tramway every 15 minutes, so I got there, and here we are in the Gare de Lille Flandre, which is the station, the tram station or metro or all the rail station. It's basically the rail station, and these are all the streets, main streets on Lille, and there are a lot many street food corners there, if you can see. So they eat like on the road as well, so it's constantly happening place. This place apparently had a great vibe, if I have to say it like that. And we go to the main street, we're walking around it. I'm actually headed towards the free store, and yeah, this is the Bank Popular, one of the most famous banks here, I guess. I heard actually. And there are a lot of pharmacy stores, there are a lot of shops here in this main street, and this is the opera, and next to that is a cathedral, and again a lot of street food corners here and there. And actually I'm using internet to find the location of the free store on my Jio, which is really expensive, so I'm quickly heading towards the store to get my SIM card. And it's not really that tough to get a SIM card, or it's not really that tough to survive here in France without speaking or knowing much of a French. And yeah, I'm into the free store pretty much quick. It's just a 500-meter walk, and I went in and I had to enter a couple of details in a computer there, and kaboom, I got my SIM card. I had to pay 20.99, in which 10.99 is the plan and 10 euros is for the cost of the SIM. And we are like in again, this is a very beautiful place, and to my surprise I found the BNP Paribas right next to this free store. And I had to see these fancy people they're actually the police going on the bikes. I found them really fancying. They have a great suite of things. They really look fancy, the police here in France. And I'm actually heading towards the BNP Paribas now to figure out my chances of opening an account. There it is, BNP Paribas. I got in, I talked to the people there, and I ended up to know that there are no slots till the next Tuesday. So they gave me an appointment for the next Tuesday at 10 o'clock. So I'll have to be there on Tuesday at 10 o'clock in the morning, so as to get my bank account opened right there. And that's all. That's been at the free store and the BNP Paribas. Right now I only had one more thing to do. I had to go to the Ilivia to get my transportation pass, and it's in the Lille-Flandre station. So I'm heading back there. In the midway, I kinda remember that I'll have to go to a supermarket or a grocery store, and I figured out this Carrefour. I knew it in India. I know Carrefour is kind of a very big store here. It's a very big supermarket, to be specific. I've been straight away into this to collect some groceries to the home. It's very big. It's got everything from A to Z. You got champagne, you got beer, you got everything, not to mention any specific as such. So I've been all the way across this and got some good groceries to my home. Post my shopping at Carrefour, I started going to the Ilivia or the Ilivia, and here it is, the Ilivia. You have to wait in the line. The queue is kind of big. It takes some 15-20 minutes, and then you end up taking a pass. They charge you 35, in which 31 is the monthly pass, and this is how the card looks like. 4 euros per the card, and 31 euros is for the transportation pass. And here I am in the Rue de l'Or, straight ahead of EDHEC Business School, like in front of EDHEC Business School. So I'm actually going in, and that brings me to the end of my day. Practically, I have done the 3 jobs that I had to do: get a SIM card, go to a bank and fix an appointment for the account opening, and get a transportation pass. I've done all of them, and that's my day. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and looking forward to make many more like this, and see you soon. So kindly subscribe and like the video.